we will learn learning tables and objects. Have you ever thought of making your text files beautiful and attractive? Let's learn about different ways. An eye-catching document will draw a reader's attention, while a dull-looking document with average looks of text and pictures will repel the reader from going through it. Therefore, to create an interest in the text created by us, Microsoft Word provides various tools that can help us to change the document to give it a more attractive look with different shapes, pictures, text styles, etc. Tables in MS Word. A document made by us contains different forms of information. Text, numbers, images are all forms of information. Sometimes, it is important that we show information in rows and columns. For example, the timetable that the schools provide. All the information about the design and classes is placed in rows and columns. Reading information in rows and columns becomes much easier and helps us understand the information in a better way. Microsoft Word also allows us to represent the information in the row-column format in a table. Let us now learn how we can add a table in our Word document. First, talk about adding tables. A grid of rows and columns is called a table. A table can be added in a Word document using the following steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab and click on the Table button. Step 2. A drop-down menu appears showing a grid. Step 3. Click on the grid while holding the mouse button. Step 4. Select the number of rows and columns to insert by dragging the mouse over the grid. Step 5. Click once, and the table will be inserted in the document. Now, we can simply click in the cell and start typing the values. This would have been a very easy task for you. Isn't it amazing? Now let us talk about Word Art. MS Word 2016 has numerous excellent tools to make our documents more attractive. Word Art is one such wonderful tool. It is a decorative text tool that we can add to a document to make it look more attractive. We can make changes to Word Art even after it is inserted in a document. We can make changes to the font size and the text color of the text we inserted using the Word Art feature. Inserting Word Art. Follow the steps given below to insert Word Art in a document. Step 1. Under the Insert tab, find the Word Art button. Step 2. Click on the Word Art button and from the drop-down list, choose a style you want to apply. Step 3. Clicking on the chosen style will insert a text box in the document with the sample text. Step 4. Click on the text box and type the letters or characters you require. This will replace the sample text with the text typed by you. It applies to text only. Editing and formatting Word Art text. Follow the steps given below to edit Word Art text. Step 1. Select the Word Art object you want to edit. Step 2. Select a Word Art style from the styles given in the Word Art style drop-down list. Step 3. Select the text effects from the various effects available in the text effects drop-down list. Step 4. Click outside the dotted box. The edited Word Art appears on the document. Learn to insert a picture. Have you ever thought about how interesting and exciting it would be to click some pictures on our camera and insert them in our Word document? This is also of great help when we want to create an interesting document with some text and pictures about us and share it with our friends. Let us now see how to insert pictures in our Word document. Follow the steps given below to insert images in a document. Step 1. Under the Insert tab, select the Pictures button under Illustrations group. Step 2. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Browse through your libraries to choose a suitable picture. Step 3. Click on the desired picture and select Insert button. The selected picture will be inserted in the document. Using shapes. The shapes supported by word processor are rectangles, rounded rectangles, triangles, circles, stars, arrows, thought bubbles, and many more. It includes the most commonly used flowchart symbols such as decision diamonds, subprocess boxes, and database cylinders. We can format shapes using different format options such as border and fill colors, 3D effects such as beveling, perspective, reflection or glow, and in most of the shapes text can also be placed. Follow the steps given below to insert shapes in a Word document. Step 1. Under the Insert tab, find the Shapes button. Step 2. Click on Shapes to find a long list of shapes available in MS Word. Choose any shape which suits your requirement. Step 3. Select the chosen shape, and a plus-shaped cursor will appear on the page. Clicking the left mouse button, drag the mouse to draw out the shape. Step 4. Release the mouse button to obtain the shape. The default color of the shape is blue. Step 5. On selecting a drawing or object, the Format tab appears under Drawing Tools. We can select different options to modify the shapes. Here we have changed the color and outline of the shape using the Shape Fill and Shape Outline options. Now we will talk about Format Painter. We can copy the text we like from our document and paste it repeatedly in the same document or any other document. Copy and paste is a magical command, otherwise typing text repeatedly would be a boring and time-consuming task. Format Painter is one such tool that helps us to apply a formatting effect from a previous text to other words or sentences. Just like the copy and paste option, it makes our work easier and saves a lot of time. Follow the steps given below to apply formatting effect to any text. Step 1. Select the text of which you want to copy the format. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the Format Painter option in the clipboard group. Step 4. The shape of the cursor changes to a brush symbol. Step 5. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text on which you want to apply the format. Step 6. Drag the brush over the text. Step 7. The format will be applied to the selected text. Let us quickly have a look on chapter review. Formatting means making changes in the appearance of a text. A grid of rows and columns is called a table. Word art is a decorative text effect. We can edit word art text and apply style and effect to it. We can insert different types of shapes in the document. Format Painter is used to copy the format of some text to other text.